sweet for my body, the way you soft, but my heart they fear. In no one lost. This kind feeling gets a CB.
All right, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I want to show you how to create Nigerian songs using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create two different genres. So the first will be Afrobeat and Afrobeat songs like that of Whiskey and David and all that. Okay, and the next one will be an Afro R&B songs like the types of Thames and Asha and all that. Okay, so now let's get to it right now. So the first thing I'm gonna do right now is go over to your browser and you go to google.gemini.google.com. All right. So once you send it, to bring you here. So right now you go over to get it right, create music, or just go to these tools. Go to these tools and select create music. All right. Now this is where you describe your track. So this is where you describe your track. So now let's do it quickly. Now you say create. Now let's start with Afrobeat. So let's say create an high energy high energy modern Nigerian Afrobeat Afro. All right. So I'm gonna minimize. Then I just get there right now. Okay. Good. All right, so now this is the prompt right now. So this is what you're gonna write. Then the lyrics. Now you can create the lyrics that you wanna use for the song. So let's use this one, for example, and just come up with something beautiful like this. All right, so this is just a simple lyrics. So for a test, okay. So you can you can write whatever you want to write. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, it's ready. So now let's play and listen.
Life na jeje, jeje we go live am. No need to rush oh. Jeje we go live am. If you rush am, you go see anyhow. Life na jeje, no need to rush am.
All right, guys, this is okay, guys, this is very perfect. As you can see, this is a top-notch kind of production. So because I'm just trying to test it, so it's just 30 seconds. So if you are using a pro version like me, pro Google AI, you can get up to 3 minutes of it. But since I'm just trying to test out, it's just 30 seconds. So let's click on here, download, then download the video or with audio. All right, so now perfectly. Now next one is right now. Let's go and create the R&B style. So let's see how it's gonna be done right now. So an R&B style. Okay, you see, create. Okay, so create, create a slow, passionate. Okay, let's see, Afro R&B. So make sure you put Afro because the R&B can exist in any other not only Nigeria. Actually, R&B is for both other countries. So make sure you write Afro. Okay, R&B track. So similar to, now write the person want to copy. So let's say similar to terms. Okay, let's say about love in Nigeria, or say Africa if you're not in Nigeria. So we can say Africa. We can say with smooth smooth saxophone. Okay, let us something like this. Okay, it's just for a test. So, okay, a male soulful male voice. Okay, let us make it female voice, or okay, let's leave it as male. So just send it right now. Okay, so let's see what it gives us right now. All right, so it's ready. So let's play and see what it gives us.
Ooh, na, na, eh. It's sweet for my body, the way you soft, but my heart they fear. In no one lost. This kind feeling gets a CBO. So make we gently take 'em easy. Take it easy. Make we gently now.
Wow, this is so perfect. It's such a soulful song. But let's see. This is not the lyrics I asked him to do, but let me see what happened. If okay, I think it changed the lyrics for me. Actually, as you can see, this is what it said. Okay, lyrics. Oh nana, yeah, sweet for body. Okay, but this is not what I wanted to do. But actually, this is beautiful. So, if you don't like it, you can just go over again and tell him to give you exact lyrics you want. But this is perfect. Okay, so let us save this one right down. So just go over here and save it. But now what you see right here in this song is that it make use of the kind of R&B, the R&B style, the slow R&B style for Nigeria. This is what matters, okay? Not the lyrics. So the kind of music it created is what we're talking about here. So it's created what? It created passionate Afro R&B songs that capture soulful and romantic vibe like you described. Okay, so the lyrics you can do what I want to lyrics, but make sure you write the kind of songs you need to beat. So, yeah, which this one is very perfect. So I think this is very beautiful. So subscribe to my channel to keep seeing this kind of videos coming your way, guys. This is very simple. Okay. So until then, guys, see you next time. Bye.